Hey guys, come with me to find and fix a water leak on an RV. Alright guys, I brought some paper towels and a headlamp and another light, my tripod, and let me show you here. So I'm hoping that I can pull this panel off and there's a fitting or something that's leaking, because where it was leaking at is right down here. You can see it already swelled the vinyl covering. I believe it's the city water connection. There should be a check ball in there. It's funny, my dad was just telling me he had no clue where this came in. This could have come in on the totally other end of the trailer. And after I texted him last night that I was going to be doing this, he's like, yeah, check that check ball where the water goes in. And I'm like, yeah, but that's probably not even anywhere near it. Well, it is near it. It's right on the other side of the wall. So if that check ball in there is leaking, then when it pressurizes from the inside, it could leak out and down. So I'm going to go flip the switch on and we'll see where we're actually leaking from. I'm going to turn the water pump on. And that's another thing, guys. I just heard it go brrr, and it stopped. These are on-demand pumps, meaning they pressurize and they stay pressurized. Like if you were to turn the sink on and water starts coming out, that pump will immediately kick on. It's got a pressure sensor on the pump itself, and as soon as it drops below a certain pressure, it kicks on. It maintains whatever pressure it's set to. So if you're hearing it, every 30 seconds go brrr, brrr, that means you got a leak. But let's see if that was enough to make this thing start leaking. See, it's dripping now. I was just going to try to tighten it from the inside and see if the leak slowed down, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the screws. It doesn't look like it's sealed super well right here, so I should be able to pop the whole thing out and show you guys. Alright, so I got it out. There's a chance that could just be loose, or it could be the check ball. So I'm going to go turn the pump back on and we'll see. Let me just try tightening it real quick. Alright, let's see if I can. Yeah, I got a little bit on there. Got about a half a turn or so. Let's see if that helps it. It's still leaking. I turned the pump back on. Just give it a few seconds and make sure we're not dripping. Looks like that tape might do it. No, it's leaking out the backside now. Son of a... Okay, I've been watching it for several minutes. There's no drip, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the outside. Well, I'm gonna check the outside, make sure it's not leaking, and then I'm going to put it all back together. Looks like we're dry out here, no leaks, so I am going to put this feller back together. So this kind of swelled up from the water. I think I'm gonna try to make that look a little better. I'm just gonna heat this up a little bit from pretty far away. I don't want to burn it at all. I just want to make sure it's dry before I hit it with any paint. Alright, pull the tape off, see what we're looking like. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like now. Can't really tell from up here, so it's a lot better than it was before where it was that wood yellow color. But alrighty guys, there you have it. A cheesy little Sunday plumbing repair for you and some spray paint at the end. Like I always say, if it's got parts, you can probably fix it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you again soon. Take care.